Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise-in for June at Hardee's in Callahan. And this is the pole cam. This was a great event. We always go out to it because it's part of our home club. There were a lot of cars out there. It was an awesome day. A little hot, but great nonetheless. And there was a surprise for our club co-president who got his truck back from being restored, and it was beautiful. Touching moment for Father's Day. Anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
So yeah, it's a good time, I'll tell you, to be alive and be a dad in Callahan, because me and Gordy's up here. $1,000 worth of tools we'll be giving away at the barbecue. A ton of Milwaukee stuff. You don't want to miss it. I'm telling you, that's the show you want to be at next Saturday at the barbecue. Look for it on our Facebook page, or go to the Facebook page, barbecue at Trader's Hill. Don't miss it.
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in for June. It was a great event. Lots of awesome cars out there. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give us a like, a comment, subscribe. Share us around to your car people, even your non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. Anyway, we're trying to get to our initial monetization goal of 500, and any help you can provide on that journey is greatly appreciated. And like every time, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. And we'll see you guys on the next one.